This morning at Udell. We jumped in one of our hoop houses because many of you are not going to get to see these. A couple of red buds we have here that are going to be in our upcoming plant sale. This is Ruby Falls, which is a fantastic introduction. It's got a weeping habit, these really intense magenta blooms, and then when it leaves out, it's got sort of burgundy, deep burgundy foliage throughout the entire summer. The one next to it, it's a little hard to see the habit of these things, but at least I can show you the close-up. This is Pink Heartbreaker. It's another weeper, but this one's got a paler, more of a rosy pink color to the flowers. So two side-by-side, nice red bud, weeping red buds. We've got a couple of specimens of Parodia subequalis, the Chinese ironwood. That's such a cool, brand new species. And then this one, I'm going to step back a little bit. Hopefully you can see this red bud that's blooming. You get a little bit of typical shape, kind of vase-shaped spreading habit. Nice pale pink flowers. This is from our friend Alan Bush. This is Alley Cat. It's one that popped up as a chance seedling in the alley behind his garden in Louisville. It's got, I think, the best variegated foliage of all the red buds. Kind of a splashed creamy white over medium green. Really excellent selection, but nice for flowers as well. And then finishing up down here on the end, we've just got one or two specimens of Samaritan Kousa dogwood. This is Cornus Kousa Samaritan. And if you know wolf eyes, which is sort of a shrubby white variegated Kousa, this is kind of the tree form. This one will grow up to 20-25 feet tall. Nice variegated white foliage and a good clean white bloom in late spring and early summer. So there's about a zillion and a half other things going on out here. This is just one of the hoop houses. A few more of Jacob's thousands and thousands of plants that he's been growing for the upcoming sales. But nice stuff. Nice day for some trees. Enjoy Earth Day. Enjoy Arbor Day, and come out and see us when we're ready to open again. We hope it's soon. Sorry, I can't resist. I just walked out of the hoop house and we just took delivery of a fantastic group of trees. And since this is the tree video, or mostly tree video, these are some things that'll go on the grounds, but a lot will be in our sales. The weeping one you see there is the weeping trident maple, Acer bergeranum, Angio dwarf from Japan. Rarely ever see that thing out and available for sale. Skylands, Oriental spruce, Picea orientalis skylands. We've got, let's see, some weeping atlas cedars. You can see in the back here, weeping form of European beech. That one's going to need a little protection from some hot afternoon sun, but it's an outstanding one. Weeping Norway spruce, weeping styrax. This seems to be the weeping cart. And then the killer of killers, here you go. That is variegated dove tree, Davidia involucrata. Miss Sunshine, look at those leaves. That's a fantastic plant. Those may end up in auction. And then dwarf cryptomerias, gold spruce. This is just sort of the jackpot. So keep an eye out. Over the next few weeks, we're going to be offering several different groups of plants for sale over time. So subscribe to our email list, watch our social media, because there's a lot of material out here and it's all looking great.